Make a great choice today with the 2020 A3. The Audi A3 is a lovely premium hatch that deserves attention. It works on almost every level. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, power brakes, braking assist, autonomous braking, rear view camera, leather upholstery, airbags, front knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.